Before I tell you the details, trust me on this. Click the link in the description and save it. You'll want to check it out later. I first heard about this product because people online wouldn't stop talking about it. I was skeptical at first, you know how the internet is. But once I actually tried it, I understood exactly why it's getting so much attention. The performance is smooth, the design feels strong and well made, and the best part is that it's incredibly easy to use. I didn't need tutorials or hours of setup, it just works immediately. But here's what surprised me the most: the quality. It genuinely feels better than most things I've tried that cost more or promise more. So if you're searching for something that's reliable, efficient, and built to impress, go check it out. Hit the link in the description. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. Hold up, don't skip this. Before I tell you the details, trust me on this. Click the link in the description and save it.